Nuer. So today, gonna take a warning. We become every parent can me take a guard, especially guard near to did. I'm on a guard dollar. Okay, see guard near karo. So manimbo meeting single mother, especially guru be jelling carefully. Okay. Ala next corner 2020 taking your content one chicken bunkers and social media lad gonna to kona chaka capping, chaka sexual assaulted, chaka lady to one alone chicken galat. But as for me, Sanabula me lad gonna talk here, okay, cause make what happen kaka. Sanderton, right? But mobile aljana manoko a lot of you kids who can work through a lot. Near Kuntung one working through a lot. Kayan, you guys fail to see it. Cause she got kunchiaka gang anymore. Cause any diojoka Nuer culture and nyala gang along. Kani me la gang nya diojonik and tisiti ko chicken but walking. Cause I near the chawang aruna. But me chan even go western were kiki keta matana no. Chukon near conjocon gang anymore. Ki guard con. Well, listen this, especially in single mother, till queen, okay? I know that a difficult alone, meeting Sheikh Mushaku and Kegad is very difficult for you to be alone at all. I understand. But Tani Wimon Wimon Shadak, and no God back and Narangarangwood Kekea guys is real. Sheikh, taking your one outside there, near confined can't let commission can no more and it kaka family, care friend, caring up, they never speak out about it. Because a major alone is very difficult. It's something, Madir Bunke, the more Mama measure to okay, Baba to occur. King you more key murder Madir ladder. It's very difficult. So please didn't check Muguro by your queen, especially Mutika Gatti did. Muguro by Quenyok. I would have thought they would have did. I don't care. But make sure co-relationship would Mokuan Mokenegard could wade it. Alright? Teach God could what do they think about the new stepdad? Ko yen mano ko riudun, chiarodun jakinyar kaneke. Alright? Lady Yentishiro di alone. Alright? So you check which road we jack and yard as your parent and yard with you would we know on but God could recover respect. Big we could would more. But back in your coach of your point yard. So please nyakon gang like mijin single father too many got it and got dollar quaka abuse. But cause society to con bed your long could be dull. But when an aunt child can be jagging an auntie mandan, ki auntie mandan chair lelana, ki auntie mandan chair capping, ki shagan and chair lena, bed your long could be dull with a lad, could we get a wood. Nuer culture and a conchi binding guard con chanaka gang. A lot of them wala kaka drug a dick. Took a rodi la alcoholic mat canoquang. Mat can tap. Do you think it's because they want it? It's because weekend is the way out of the trauma they went through. Lekanagwino is the very easy way to process whatever happens to them. So please, God, Conchanakagang, single mothery, you kids are your priority. Would we quen bo moda, would we do no quen of moda bo? Tiaga lunko with your binding. Tiaga lunko with your binding. She one gun commission your binding. So please protect your kids. Many do some charge quen, God kubukan kenyam. Alright? Mission God was she could allow take a weird behavior. Let allow she let it do her mama, no Misha Togun and listen to that child, chuja ignore. God do chang king, yadu chang uncle moka, nyadu chang shawdum, moku and jikamo, laden talk. God beg your lunko baramidi chagaka, kebaramidi beja accused, kekes michi kesumana. And any yamichimichit can make it dol machine to happen kaja, you didn't speak about it. I know it's very difficult, but the trauma is always gonna be there. So make sure you open about it. Like, make sure take a you know, the more you talk about it, the more the trauma makes it to buswok. So Nuer charity teacher anaka ignore because we corner and Nuer will always be Nuer tanaka culture mugwa, yes, tanaka culture mugwa, but culture is another one thing. Please, you kids, we got we near we got kutitiana. Managing was single father. Michi jigalao, bukwen ya kadong to shake the money am chiji behind God. Please, some woman can evil. Tankian, dekan God could dekan kishing yak, you know. Animal God could come murder. Alright? Mulokan a shake do no more kwen. Please consider the reason a look a shake do kede. Don't take young mijikan a kashir more. Right? That's why divorce chagwa. Because it doesn't matter who the shunyo go kweno, ki shiri shunyo go kweno, chavitit kamandi and a daba, ki chavitit go gwandi and a daba. I know God gonna wala buka dude kokong, ki kokong, te tirkadan. Thank you, and they are just going through a lot. Okay? Parents, make sure Kobiagat couldn't be killing. Ask them how their day go. Ask them how they are doing and stuff. To conquer generation, be careful with your kids. Don't allow anyone to joke with them, and don't give anybody that space. Take care of your kids.